Hello, my name's Lee. I'm one of the guides at Get Set Up. I wanted to introduce you to a new course called Google Keeps. What makes Google Keeps so popular with over 1 billion downloads is because it's accessible on any device, such as your computer, your phone, or any laptop. It's easy, it's really simple to use, and it's fun. Well, what does it do? It's a voice recorder. It captures your notes. It captures pictures, allows you to share recipes, and it integrates with other Google programs and applications such as YouTube. It also allows you to get organized using colors and also labels. And again, it's very accessible. And it's easy to share with other family members, friends, and coworkers. And also, if you have a Google Keep or a Google Home device in your home, you can actually tell it what things you want on your grocery list, and it will automatically put it on your Google Keeps. So I look forward to seeing you soon and sharing a little bit more about Google Keeps. Thanks very much.